Good morning, Switzerland.
Good morning, good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, really. You?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks.
Nice.
Tell me, what are we doing today?
We are jumping from the plane.
Okay. Why would you want to do this?
Why not? Life's too short not to do this shit.
Yeah, fair enough, fair enough. How are you feeling right now?
Good, really good.
Yeah, nervous at all?
No, no, not at all.
Ready, okay, perfect. With that, Troy, did you understand the instructions?
Yeah,
Very good.
all good.
Any questions?
No.
All right,
Let's do it.
Flames in the fire that keeps burning. We're inviting the night in. Welcome, my heart's so full. I'm devoting myself to the night. There's no motive. We're just listening. We're existing.
Amazing, amazing. What a feeling. Look at this view. It's wow. It's wow. No, I love you, and this is once in a life chance to do this. It's really, really worth it. Thank you, Skydive Dubai. Of you, huh?
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back. What did you think?
Wow, that was amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing experience. Thank you very much, Skydive Dubai.
Do you think you would try this again?
Most probably, yes.
All right, most probably. Good answer. Thank you for jumping on Skydive Dubai.
Thank you very much. Thank you.